So what I think they mean by the actual area of the light itself, this area light right now, the surface of it, if we click on our light here and turn it on, as I scale the surface up, the surface of the plane is getting bigger. So the light is actually getting more intense. So there we go. As we got a big bright light here. Now, if I bring it down, the surface, it gets, smaller. So the light is also, I reversed it. The light is also getting smaller. So if we were to scale the surface up, but we don't want it to be this bright, technically we should click on surface brightness. And now what I think it brings it down to 100%. So if we scale this back down, the surface intensity is not changing. Again, scaling it up bigger, it's technically not getting brighter. It's just more light is in the scene because the light is bigger and it's still coming out at 100% intensity.